Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at an announcement from Meta about a new, smaller LLM they have created that I think might be the future direction of AI. Let's jump into it. So here we have an article from VentureBeat. Meta AI develops compact language model for mobile devices. Meta AI researchers have unveiled MobileLLM, a new approach to creating efficient language models designed for smartphones and other resource-constrained devices. Published in June, this work challenges assumptions about the necessary size of effective AI models. The research team, comprising of members from Meta, PyTorch, and Meta AI Research, focused on optimizing models with fewer than 1 billion parameters. This is a fraction of the size of models like GPT-4, which are estimated to have over 1 trillion parameters. Okay, so is there any practical use for this model? It's optimized to run on devices with constrained resources like phones or tablets. Apple and Google dominate those spaces, so I don't really think they're going to be using this model on iPhones or Androids. I suppose app makers could use this model and embed it into their app, but that doesn't seem all that likely to me. So it seems to me like this was Meta trying to reward the researchers who worked on this project with some publicity, which is really cool, but I'm not sure much else is going to happen with it. I wouldn't be surprised if Apple and Google take a look and take any good ideas from this work, but let's read on a little bit more about this. These design choices allowed MobileLLM to outperform previous models of similar size by 2.7 and 4.3% on common benchmark tasks. This suggests that for some specific applications, more compact models might offer similar functionality while using significantly fewer computational resources. So this is where it gets interesting to me. I suspect that for AI to really take off, it's going to need to get more efficient. We've seen a lot of companies talk about their AI revenue numbers, but I haven't seen much breakdown on the cost required to deliver those services. Obviously, training the models is very expensive, but what does it cost to run the models? And how does that cost compare to the average cost we're seeing of $20 a month for a user? I'm not really sure that anyone outside of the AI companies can really know the answer to that question, but here's a snippet from CNBC that kind of talks about the cost. For a product as popular as ChatGPT, which investment firm UBS estimates to have reached 100 million monthly active users in January, Curran believes that it could have cost OpenAI $40 million to process the millions of prompts people fed into the software that month. I believe ChatGPT does have a free offering, so hard to know how many of the 100 million active users are paying, but $40 million cost against that is obviously significant. I'll go on. Costs skyrocket when these tools are used billions of times a day. Financial analysts estimate Microsoft's Bing AI chatbot, which is powered by an OpenAI ChatGPT model, needs at least $4 billion in infrastructure to serve responses to all Bing users. To me, what's interesting here, and I don't know that this is really news, but that the economics of AI are going to be different from software. Software has basically a zero marginal cost, while AI's costs are going to scale alongside user growth. So I think at some point, these companies are going to start working to optimize their compute costs, where models like the new one from Meta will come into play. So this type of work could be the future of AI, optimizing models, making them run with fewer resources, making reasonably sized models that can be effective while not requiring its own nuclear power plant to power it. But that's all I got on this topic. I think it's interesting. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.